Do you know that there are subconscious tricks that can make a man absolutely addicted to you? Forget the myth that it's all about you being a stunning beauty. We're talking about simple yet mind-blowing moves that can drive a guy crazy. And guess what? It's not just about your appearance or looks. It's about the way you groove and the emotions you awaken within him. For you, in this video, we've crafted the ultimate playbook featuring the top 10 secrets to making him subconsciously desire you. These tips can be your concealed arsenal to keep him undeniably captivated by you and your essence. So, if you want him to never get enough of you, stick around and watch this video all the way through. And you never know, you might unlock the doors to a never-ending romance. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Hold a little mystery. Human nature is naturally curious. We're wired to be attracted to things that excite our interest and engage our imagination. When it comes to romantic attraction, this curiosity is no different. Men tend to find themselves subconsciously captivated by women who have an air of mystery about them, because it sparks their curiosity and keeps them guessing. Creating an aura of mystery doesn't mean you have to be cold or distant. Instead, it's about leaving a little room for imagination and not revealing everything about yourself all at once. It could be as simple as not sharing your entire life story on the first date, or holding back a few details about your interests and experiences. It's about sharing gradually, allowing your potential partner to uncover layers of your personality over time. Remember, the key to mastering this aspect of attraction is finding the right balance. While a little mystery can be alluring, too much can lead to confusion or frustration. So, be genuine and open while allowing your unique qualities and experiences to unfold at a pace that keeps the spark alive. Number 2. Make him see you as a treasure. Men have a natural tendency to be drawn to things that others also desire. To make him subconsciously want you more, try this. Surround yourself with friends and show him that you have a life with various priorities. It could be anything: your friends, family, loved ones, or work. When he sees that you're not solely focused on him, it sparks his interest. So, create a life beyond him and show him that you have a world of your own. When you do this, it's like casting a subtle spell of intrigue on him. He will see that you're not only available but in demand, which sparks that competitive edge within him. Suddenly, you become the prized jewel, the one he wants to win over. It's a bit like a magnet that draws him closer without him even realizing it. Number 3. Hit his kind of humor. Ever notice how a guy's face lights up when the girl he's into chuckles at his jokes? Well, guess what? It works the same way for guys when they discover that the girl they're with shares their sense of humor. It's like an instant connection booster, making you both feel like you're on the same wavelength. The beauty of this humor is that it's not confined to a specific set of jokes or punchlines. It's about finding common ground, a type of humor that he finds witty and something that you both find fun. It could be clever wordplay, witty banter, or a shared love for a particular type of comedy. The key is to be yourself and let your sense of humor shine naturally. So, what's the magic behind this shared laughter? When a guy sees a girl making his type of joke, it evokes a sense of affection and attachment in his mind. He feels like he has found the right partner who can not only understand his jokes, but also find them funny. Moreover, when you and your potential partner can make each other laugh, it builds a sense of mutual fun and comfort. It's like having a secret language that only the two of you understand. Number 4. Be emotionally intelligent. You know what truly tugs at a guy's heartstrings? It's when a girl possesses that rare gem known as emotional intelligence that she truly grasps his emotional intricacies and needs. It's like she's unlocked the code to his emotional world. Men and women often speak different emotional dialects, like languages only a select few understand. But when a woman takes the time to not just hear, but comprehend the symphony of a man's emotions, she becomes his emotional sanctuary. Basically, each guy has his own unique emotional palette, and his brushstrokes are often subtle, more like a delicate watercolor than a flashy fireworks show. When a woman becomes that trusted harbor where he feels truly heard and embraced, she becomes a treasure beyond measure, one he'd never trade, not even for a lineup of supermodels. Number 5. Subtle touches. You know how romantic movies have subtle touches that ignite the right amount of tension between the main characters? That's because it can subconsciously do wonders not only for the characters, but also the audience. It can convey warmth, connection, and attraction at once. So, when a woman engages in subtle, light touches, it sends a clear message of physical and emotional closeness. And men are naturally drawn to individuals who can create a comfortable sense of touch. But here's the secret. It's not about invading someone's personal space or coming on too strong. It's about using touch as a way to emphasize your emotions or express your feelings. Picture this: a light touch on the arm during a conversation, a gentle hand on the back, or even a playful tap on the shoulder. However, it's vital to keep it respectful and meet the other person's comfort level. Not everyone is equally receptive to physical touch, so it's crucial to be attentive to their cues and boundaries. Number 6. Second his views. To understand this, we need to dig into the psychology of social interactions. Men, like women, desire validation and affirmation, especially in public settings where their views or opinions are on display. When a woman supports or agrees with a man's perspective in such situations, it boosts his confidence and sense of importance. It signals that she values his thoughts and opinions, which can be incredibly attractive. Supporting and agreeing with someone's point of view doesn't mean sacrificing your own opinions or being fake. It's about finding common ground and showing respect for the other person's perspective. You can do this by actively listening, acknowledging their viewpoint, and finding areas of agreement. When a woman publicly supports a man's point of view, it signals teamwork and solidarity. It tells others that they're on the same page, and it creates a sense of unity and shared purpose. This can boost the man's confidence and make him feel appreciated, so he feels like being with her even more. Number 7. Focus on your passions. Men may not always vocalize it, but what often draws them in subconsciously is a woman with her own life, her own passions, and her own sense of independence. You see, being too available can sometimes take away the element of mystery and excitement. What really piques a man's interest is a woman who has her own world, a career or passions that light her up. It's like adding a layer of intrigue and attraction. When a woman has her own thing going on, it not only makes her more interesting, but also shows that she's confident and self-assured. It's this sense of self that can be incredibly attractive to men because it indicates that she's not looking for someone to complete her, but rather for someone to complement her life. So, focusing on your passions and having your own fulfilling life can be a magnetic force that draws a man in, making him want to be a part of your world. Number 8. Comfort him. You know, there's a love language that doesn't rely on words but speaks volumes. It's the language of comfort. When a woman takes the initiative to do something kind or helpful for a man, it's like a symphony of care, thoughtfulness, and a genuine desire to make his world a little brighter. It's not just an act, it's a profound way to deepen intimacy, cultivate trust, and make him subtly fall for her even more. This isn't about grand, elaborate gestures, mind you. It's about the small, thoughtful actions that scream, "I've got your back." It's those moments when you take the initiative without being asked. Picture this: a surprise cup of coffee, lending a hand with a task, or even a sweet, unexpected favor. These are the building blocks of a connection that grows stronger with each thoughtful act. Number 9. Be clear with your needs. When a woman has a clear sense of her goals, desires, and values, it signals that she is independent, confident, and purpose-driven. Men are subconsciously drawn to individuals who are secure in themselves and their life path. It conveys a sense of stability and purpose that can be highly attractive. This quality comes into play at various stages of a relationship, from the initial stages of getting to know each other to more established connections. It's a practice that can enhance mutual respect, deepen emotional connections, and foster admiration. When a woman knows what she wants in life, it signals that she is responsible for her own happiness and fulfillment. It shows that she has a vision for her future and is actively working towards it. This can be inspiring and reassuring to a man, as it demonstrates that she is not looking for someone to complete her, but rather to complement her journey. Number 10. Mirror him. Human beings are wired for connection, and mirroring someone's body language is an unconscious way of building familiarity and connection. Mirroring body language is about subtly imitating the other person's nonverbal cues. It can involve matching their posture, gestures, facial expressions, and even their tone of voice. It's not about mimicry, but rather a gentle synchronization of nonverbal signals. When a woman mirrors a man's body language, it creates a sense of connection and alignment. It tells him that she is on the same wavelength and that they share common ground. If you have made it this far, comment down below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.